In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add stickers in CapCut PC Editor. If you want to place animated arrows, highlight shapes, or fun graphics right on top of your footage to help direct your viewers' attention. CapCut makes the process very simple. One of the best parts is that you do not need to search online for extra files, because CapCut already includes a large library of built-in graphic assets you can use right away. To get started, move your mouse up to the top left area of the CapCut workspace and click on the Stickers tab. This opens the main sticker library, where all of those built-in graphic elements are stored. If you are trying to guide the viewer's eye in a clean and professional way, this is usually the best place to begin. Once the sticker tray is open, look over to the directory column on the far left side. Here you can browse through different categories to narrow down what you need. For example, if you want something simple and clear, click on a category like icon or arrow. After that, scroll through the graphic grid until you find a design that fits your project. As you browse, hover your cursor over any sticker tile to preview its animation loop. This is helpful because it lets you see how the graphic moves before adding it to your edit. When you find one you like, click the blue plus sign in the bottom corner of that asset. As soon as you do that, CapCut places the sticker onto your timeline automatically as an overlay on an upper track, which is typically track 2. Next, you'll probably want to resize the sticker so it supports your footage instead of covering important details. Click once on the sticker block in the timeline to select it. Then look up to the top right Properties panel. Under the Sticker section and inside the Basic submenu, find the Scale slider. Drag that slider to the left until the sticker is around 30%. That usually gives you a much smaller, cleaner result that is easier to position precisely. From there, use the position input fields in the same panel to move the sticker exactly where you want it. This is especially useful if you are trying to point at a specific data field, menu row, or part of the screen. With a small scale and careful placement, your sticker can highlight the right area without distracting from the rest of the layout. And that's it. You've opened the sticker library